Hello! Today I will show you how to turn your old electronic into a beautiful and unique gift or room decor. This could be a perfect gift that any tech enthusiast or audiophile would love. You can find plenty of frame art with iPhones or gaming consoles online, but these artworks cost over $100, so today I will teach you how you can create unique art yourself. Which is a beautiful piece of disassembled JBL headphones. The best part is that no one is selling such artwork yet. If you like this, there is a similar artwork with disassembled JBL Bluetooth speaker on the main TechCrew channel. To do this you will need a deep wall frame. I will use the IKEA frame, which is approximately a 3-page size. You will also need to carefully disassemble the item you want to place into the frame. It can be anything. For this project, I will use the Bluetooth JBL headphones. You can use any item you see fit for this artwork. Next, place the disassembled parts on the frame-sized paper. To see how them look, find best spots for any part. Once you found the right spots for the parts and the overall layout looks good, you can write down next to each part what it is. Since my handwriting is bad, I measure all the details and wrote them in the free drawing program GIMP, then printed it on a A3 sheet. After that, glue the printed sheet with the labels on the frame. Be careful there, as liquid glue can damage the paper, so I use a glue stick. Then place the frame back in, then carefully glue the disassembled parts to the sheet. I use super glue. This process should not be hurried. Take your time and enjoy it. While the glue dries, you can check your work. I personally like it, and I couldn't find anyone online who had made something like this with the JBL headphones. When the glue has dried, you can connect the parts with lines which are labeled future. You can also draw these lines before printing, but my GIMP skills aren't that good. If you want to place glass in front of the artwork, take work out, insert the glass. Place the artwork back in, attaching it to the frame's back. And that's the result. Framed JBL Bluetooth headphones which can be used as a great gift or room decor that will definitely spark questions from any friend. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments.